Here is why you're not a loser. So you feel defeated because you've attempted to do something and couldn't accomplish it. Or maybe it was something from your childhood where you were left feeling with a feeling that you were never enough. Additionally, most people get down on themselves the more they try and don't succeed. It can be embarrassing. So why even try, right? Well, there's more than one recipe for success, and it's actually born out of failed attempts. This requires you to not be afraid of failure. In fact, embrace it. And I don't mean the definition of insanity where you keep trying the same thing over and over and expect a different outcome. I mean your success may be at your fingertips, so you just may need to see your experiences in a different light. Try something and fail. Who cares? You may always learn a nugget of information or gain experience. You can think of failure as part of the equation of success, a prerequisite in your job training. Now, through the years, let's say you fail at 4 or 5 things you've tried. Now take those 4 or 5 nuggets of information or experiences and combine them into one brilliant idea or pedigree that only you possess. Now you will have a resume that can make you uniquely valuable, sometimes also leads you to starting your own business that no one else thought of but you. This is your chance to collect all those experiences and perspectives and grow into something you never thought possible.